Okay, hi everybody. I've got an Excalibur 2 with an 8-inch coil. I'm going to see what kind of depth I get air testing with 14 karat gold band, my wedding ring. It's the only time I take it off is when I'm doing this. I'm not taking it off every day and going to bars and stuff, okay guys? So don't think that I'm tutoring you on that. Anyway, the ring is off, and I've ordered a 15-inch NEL coil. I've had mixed advice on that. You know, basically it's okay, yeah, we put one on. You probably ought to stick with the stock coil. But I've got an 8-inch coil here. I want to go as deep as possible in Florida. I'm going to be taking a trip to the Treasure Coast. Anyway, here goes the test. I'm going to air test now. When I get the coil and put it on the machine, I'll describe how I'm going to replace it. I'm going to use a quick connect and release so that I could switch back and forth. But for now, I want to see what kind of depth I can get with the 8-inch. The settings are as follows. I'm going to start with Discriminate, and I've got my threshold very low. Can you hear it? Maybe. You can hear this. And I'm going to move over here and see if I can hear this hum. Yeah, that's really low. Let's move this even closer. It's just humming. If I had the headphones on, it would be audible, but very low in volume. So, again, threshold very low. I'm on Discriminate, and my sensitivity is on 10. Not auto. I have it clicked up and just on the 10. And Discriminate, not at all. It's on number 1. So let's see what happens here. And then I'll go to Pinpoint. Obvious signal here, and I'm at 8.5 inches. That's a readable signal. I'm digging for that. That is at 11.5 inches. Nothing. Oh, there we go. Just getting in there. I'm digging on that. Again, now it's 11. Yeah, 11.5 inches. Let's go over same exact settings, except I'm going to go to Pinpoint. A lot of people say you go deeper for Pinpoint. I'm not so sure in this test that I will go deeper. Okay, that's my Pinpoint. Right now I'm at 10.5. I can just hear it from here at 10.5. I'm getting something there. I can just hear it. And that's 11.5. So I'm getting the same distance, Pinpoint and Discrimination. Hey, if that holds true in the field, it kind of pays to use Discrimination because it prevents you from digging iron, rusty nails and such. But this nulls out pretty good, even in Pinpoint. But I usually switch back and forth. But in any case, when I get that 15-inch, I'm going to put it on. I'll repeat this test under the same exact conditions, same machine, except with the 15-inch coil. And if my quick release and connect work, I can swap the coils back and forth real quickly. And I'm not going to mess with the housing of this machine for a quick connect. I'm going to splice. I'm going to use an IP68 rated connection with 4 pins. So I'll connect the NEL coil to the 4-pin connection, and I'll connect the Excalibur wire to the 4-pin male connection, I guess, and then I'll fit them together, and then I'll put a connection on to my previous 8-inch coil so that I can swap them back and forth. That's the plan. We'll see how it goes.